Hello. In this video, we will look at the subject of marriage and starting a family. This is targeted towards the youth. To begin with, marriage comes from the Greek word garmeo. It has four main contexts. 1. To marry. 2. To give oneself in marriage to marry. 3. To get a spouse for to betroth. 4. To take as a lover. 5. To have sex with. Now, the next aspect of marriage to consider is having children. Why would a heterosexual couple decide to reproduce children? There are many reasons to have children. 1. To become living symbols of their love for each other. 2. To groom and nurture their children to become better versions of themselves. 3. To propagate and extend the ancestral lineage of a man's bloodline. Now, another aspect of marriage to consider is why would any young man or woman desire to get married?
In January 2001, in partnership with the market research company Harris Interactive and the National Parenting Association, economist Sylvia Ann Hewlett conducted a nationwide survey designed to explore the professional and private lives of highly educated, high-earning women. The surveys found that these women are much less likely, compared to their male counterparts, to get married. Also, high-achieving women are more likely to be divorced or separated than high-achieving men. Furthermore, when high-achieving women marry, they marry young. 75% of women in the older age group got married for the first time before they were 24. Only 8% got married for the first time after the age of 30. And only a small 3% after the age of 35.
The greatest legacy a woman leaves behind is not her career accolades or high academic achievements. It is the young human beings that she has nurtured and fostered into adulthood. As for a man, the greatest satisfaction a man can have is to cherish the warm home of his wife and children. This is despite his career, body counts, family heritage or economic status. The support of his wife and flourishing of his children inspires a man to go out into the world and become the greatest version of himself to provide and protect his wife and children.